paradise, and my garden here today is something that I treasure. It's a getaway after a hard day at training. It's good to come home and look at this beautiful garden. Most of the flowers here and plants were brought here by my wife, and I'll admit I only provide assistance, but I like their company. The orchids, they're so beautiful. You can have a hard day when you come home and you take a look at the orchids. It brings you a little bit of satisfaction, especially if you lose a game. It's a good way to, come down. One of the things I've learned about orchids over the years is that you can't water them too much. Just enough water is the best for orchids. And one of the things is that I use a lot of coal around the roots to help keep it dry, and so it's not too moist, because too much moisture will affect the roots and it will get rotten. So that's one of the tips that I have learned with the orchids over the years, and that's why